All right, what's going on, Speed Fam? We've got an upgrade to our shop. It's got a fan there because even if we got the doors open, the humidity is killing us. It's hot outside?
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot. And the only reason why this guy's saying it's hot is that he is rotating tires on the truck. Not really doing it inside the shop either because it's full. It's kind of what I want to show you guys. This is the last time we're gonna see the Z in the HPDE street form, I don't know what you're gonna call it, semi-gutted before race prep setup. And here, I'll give you a little walkthrough of it. All right, so the Z is pretty gutted. I would say this is kind of like a stage 1 because the what we would call stage 1 is when we take off like just panels, we just remove a couple things, remove AC units, things we're not using. It's not fully stripped. Every wire, nut, and bolt is not taken off, but everything is there. Like, it's just enough to get us driving. Now, the other day we were here and Robert was taking out the front bumper. I have to work on the wiring harness over here. Also, with the wiring harness here, I'm gonna get some switches on the dash. The roll cage is going in here, so it's gonna be caged up, and also the wing is being built right now, and that's gonna be on the actual chassis mounted and with the roll cage. So we will be cutting things off. So I would say a stage 2 is, I don't know, making these things up, right? Stage 1 is we pull everything off. Stage 2 is replacing parts. I'm trying to go in the order of how you would do it on a street car, because you wouldn't be doing crazy mods. Nah, I don't know. I said that wrong. So stage 1 would be pulling panels off. Stage 2 would be putting panels on, like our top secret hood here, top secret diffuser. We got a top secret hatch. Is it a top secret hatch? I forgot. It's been so long ago. We're gonna take off our factory one and put the one we have hanging in the shop on. Is it Cybon? It's a Cybon hatch. So it's a Cybon hatch, but it's got factory glass on there. We couldn't get a piece of Lexan in on time. So that's going. And I would say the stage 3 would be cutting off actual chassis panels and taking everything else, like all the sound baffling and vibration things off. So cutting things, like we wouldn't need this section anymore. This thing just holds the hatch. But as long as it doesn't affect the rigidity, we're gonna take it off. Like this piece goes off because the roll cage will be here. This piece comes off, this little piece off here to the cold air intake, and that's just gonna sit right into this section. There's the diffuser. Also brackets, these aren't quick release brackets, but we didn't really need a quick release bracket. That's a hefty bracket that is adjustable. I think we're gonna go for more of a race function one, where we're gonna cut off a part of the bumper here. We'll cut that off and we'll put like a more aggressive diffuser on there, and then put some paneling under the car. Again, the wing is gonna go through the hatch. So with the carbon fiber one, we're just gonna cut through it. We're gonna remove these hinges and it will come right off. So this car is pretty much gonna be race ready. Oh, I gotta get suspension too, because this one, these rock buddy clubs, but I'm pretty sure it's a decade old, just sitting here. It still works. The buddy clubs on this car still work too. I'm so excited to show you guys how it's gonna look next. But this would be stage 1.5 of weight reduction. I'll do the whole walkthrough of how it looks like once we have the cage done. We'll actually go through the car and see what it has. Well, other than that, I just want to show you guys, this is the last time we're gonna see it like this.